Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome back to the financial management class. Once again, we are discussing about the time value of money, and we are solving problems. So consider that this is one another problem or another question. Author asks you that suppose you deposited um, the $1,000 $1,000 and four payments and four payments of $250 each at year 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how much you would have in your account at year 4 based on 8% annual compounding. So dear students, this is like a situation. Author asks you that you are investing $1,000, but this is in 4 payments. Each payment consists on $250 for 4 years. This is providing you 8% annual compounding. So if you take the data over here, so मौशमा प्रेजेंट वैल्यू दारिम खो पर हर साल जुदा जुदा या बराए हर साल मा जुदा प्रेजेंट वैल्यू दारिम बतौर मिसाल प्रेजेंट वैल्यू साल अवल 250 प्रेजेंट वैल्यू साल दोम बाज 250 प्रेजेंट वैल्यू साल सेवम हम 250 व प्रेजेंट वैल्यू साल चारम हम 250. ही तमाम सरमायागुजारी के आस बराए 4 साल अस्त 4 years अस्त बराए 4 साल व सूद रेट के अस्त या इंटरेस्ट रेट इंजा 8% अस्त. आज शुमा सवाल में कना कि दर आखिर साल चारम फ्यूचर वैल्यू चकदर में बशा दर आखिर साल चारम. सो इट इज़ easy dear students. ही आसान است. ये हर एक जुदा जुदा हिसाब में या कैलकुलेट में 6 साल व साल चारम बराए हर साल बायद मौशुमा फार्मूला प्रेजेंट वैल्यू रहे फ्यूचर वैल्यू रहे इस्तेफादा करें. बतौर मिसाल फ्यूचर वैल्यू साल अवल मसावी दे प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ज़रबे यौ जमे सूद रेट बतावाने is equal to बतावाने n. सही should dear students. So now you see how much is the value of this amount यानी अर्जश अमी में पुल चकदर में शा. So see future value for year 1 is equal to 250 ज़रबे यौ जमे इंटरेस्ट रेट के 8% असनो 8 तक़सीम 7 0.08 बतवानी साल अवल. राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स. सो फ्यूचर वैल्यू साल अवल मसावी 250 ज़रबे ई अवी एक दिगा जम्मेशा सो 1.08 बतवानी 1. सो 250 बायद द 1.01 चिशवा मल्टीप्लाई शवा. Now dear students, let's use the calculator. So in calculator we will have 250 multiply by 1.08 is equal to 270. برای سال اول ارزش پول معشومه 270 است. So this is equal to 270. This is the future value of year 1. Okay dear students, so we have found for the year 1 our future value is 270. Now we will take this 270 as a 270 for the next year. موږ اوس د دویم کال دپاره کالکولیشن کوو. نو موږ سره د اول کال 280 روپۍ جمع په دویم کال کې موږ 250 نوره سرمایه گذاري کوو. نو د دویم کال دپاره به موږ سره پریزنټ ویلیو مساوي د څو شي دا مې دیم 300 او 500 او شل. when we add both of them so it is equal to 520. So our next year value is equal to 520. So see, again we are calculating future value. So future value is equal to present value for year 2 n to 1 plus interest power n. So future value of year 2 is equal to, we have already calculated 520 as a present value n to 1 plus 0.08 power n. Yes, so year 2 de ya mang sara power n de yaw de. So this is equal to future value for year 2 is equal to 520 into 1.08 power 1. So this multiply with this future value for year 2 is equal to we will use the calculator. So 520 into 1.08 is equal to, this is equal to 56.1. So this is the value for the year 2, 56.1.6. Now if we are calculating the future value for year 3, so present value n to 1 plus interest power n. So our present value for the year 2 is 561.6 is the previous one. 250 we are investing currently. So n to 1.08 power 1. Again we will add this. So this is equal to plus 250 is equal to 811. So our value is equal to 811.6 into 1.08. we will multiply this, multiply with 1.08. so is equal to 876. this is equal to 876.52. this is the future value for year 3. Okay, now we are calculating the future value for year 4. So future value for year 4 is equal to present value n to 1 plus interest power n. So dear students, our present value is 876.52 for the previous year, plus we are investing 250 more n to 1.08 is پتوان د n یعنی د یو. نو 814.25 جمع 250 موږ نوره سرمایه ګذاري کوو په دې کال کې. So is equal to 1126. So we will write down over here 1126.5 into 1.08 power 1. So this is equal to, so multiply by 1.08. so it is equal to 1216.65. this is the future 1216.65. this is future value for the year 4. now future value for year 5. is equal to, directly I will do it, 1216 present value plus 250 we are investing more, and to 1.08 power 1. So this is equal to 1216.65 जमे 250 नोर सरमायागुजारी को 250 मसावी टोटल 1450.15 ضرب 1.08. So see, we will multiply this with 1.08 is equal to, so the future value is 1583.98. this is the future value for 5 years. So at the end of year fifth, we will have the future value as 1583, and at the end of year 4 we will have the future value 1216. this is the future value for year 4. So we are investing our money for 4 years, so our value is equal to 1216.65. कचेर तमंग हर काल $250 वाचो او 8% په دې باندې موږ ته سود راکړل شي، نو په کال د اخر کال په یعنی د فیوچر ویلیو کې کالکولیټ کوو، نو د اخر کال یعنی د څلورم کال په اخره کې به زموږ د پیسو ارزښت څومره وي، 1214.15 به وي، چې موږ دا هر یو انډیویژولی کالکولیټ کړلو. او که چېرته په د NVT په شکل کالکولیټ کوو، so we can combinedly calculate each values of this question. Okay dear students, I hope that you have understand about it. If you have any question, write down your question in a notebook and we will discuss this in the class. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.